Hey guys, Mark here. Alright, so I'm going to change the front motor mount on a 2004 Dodge Stratus. In this clip, I'm just showing you guys that the motor mount's bad. It's torn on both sides. You'll probably get a better look once I actually get the motor mount out. Taking off these two bolts, both sides are 14 millimeters. Was a bolt and nut. This job's actually not all that bad. Probably will only take, I guess, 20 minutes or so. Just make sure you have the proper equipment. Make sure you got the car on proper jack and jack stands, and if you have the transmission jacked up and supported, and also you have a support for that brace there. Next, we got two 17 millimeter bolts. And then we're going to take off the rear two 13 millimeter bolts. They're 13 or 14, I can't quite remember. And then that gives us the ability to be able to drop down the frame, or whatever it's called, brace. It's not heavy at all. And you get a better view of the engine mount here. Next, we took off the two 13 millimeter bolts that bolts down the engine mount. And here's the new one. I'm starting it by hand. And as you can tell, I'm jacking it back up. I'm already halfway done. When you do it, just make sure that brace goes underneath the plastic cover there. Otherwise, you might have a hard time lining it up. I start all the bolts by hand. And now the two rear 13s. Snug these up first a little bit, and then I went to the rear, and then I gave them the beans after that. Just make sure they were all tight. And then after that, just tighten up that nut and bolt. And pretty much you're actually all good. You don't have to take off any wheels or anything of that nature to get the job done. There's no hydraulic lines, at least for this car, that I had to remove. You don't have to worry about anything like that. I'm just checking out the bad oil that this car has. Just wanted to make note of that. You see it's covered all over the compressor, alternator, and the AC lines. And then also you can check your work here as well. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.